Gas density. Density is a physical property of an object. Density is normally described as the mass of the object divided by the volume of an object. Now, if that object is a pure substance, then the density is a defining physical property of that pure substance. For example, liquids and solids can be defined by their densities. Well, the same is true for gases. The difference is, of course, gases are a lot less dense. So the units that are normally used to describe density, mass divided by volume, for solids and liquids is grams per milliliter. Whereas for gases, we normally use the units grams per liter. Now, I want you to wrap your brain around this. We've been talking about the ideal gas law, and we've talked about molar volume. Remember molar volume? Molar volume is the volume of 1 mole of a gas at standard temperature and pressure. It's defined as 22.4 liters. So 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters of space. However, each of those gas particles, even though they're ideal, if you have different gases, have a different mass. So for example, helium. Helium has an atomic mass of 4 grams per mole. So if I had 1 mole of helium at standard temperature and pressure, it would occupy 22.4 liters. But the density would be 4 divided by 22.4. However, if I have carbon dioxide, the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 grams per mole. It's a larger molecule. If I have 1 mole of carbon dioxide, it would still occupy 22.4 liters. So the density would be 44 divided by 22.4 liters. That is a greater density. Let me show you. Helium is less dense than air. Air is made mostly of nitrogen. Nitrogen is 28 grams per mole. So 22.4 liters would weigh 24 grams per mole, 28 grams per mole, excuse me. It sinks in air even though it is air because of the mass of the balloon. Carbon dioxide, on the other hand, is the heaviest of the gases we're talking about. So let me climb up higher. The red balloon contains carbon dioxide. The white balloon contains air. Which is more dense? Let me climb higher. Carbon dioxide. Gas density.
Great.